what was the best of our time together today?
I really enjoyed the last breakout room. I really liked that. I thought that getting like all that together, like thinking of brainstorming ideas, I really liked that.
I really enjoyed the breathing part just because I think it has very practical application to my life, and I think also incorporating it, focusing on breathing. And I really liked the conversation with Marita too, because we were able to share our experiences and our opinions in a way that like we knew that the other person was authentically listening to each other.
For me, the best part was the first breakout room, being able to see when the other person is really engaged with what they're talking about. I think that it helped us come to a conclusion very quickly, it seemed like, and I think that was because we were looking for like that genuine interest in the subject, because it was like we were both, I could tell, thinking about, okay, how does this apply to what I've seen? And it was, I think just I want to use that more. I want to keep using that outlet.
I really enjoy being around a lot of bright students who are dedicated to the work that they put in, and so I think I would have to agree with Meredith. One of my favorite parts just being listening to the passion and all of the different ideas that we have, and hopefully putting them into action.
I really enjoyed my conversation with Mrs. Cox. I think that, when I'm in the screen where in between the main meeting and the breakout room, and I have no idea who I'm going to be put with to have to talk this through, and I feel like we had a really good, productive conversation, and I think good things are going to happen because of it.
It really kind of fun to see the change between like how you have to talk instead of like you really want to talk.
Yes, beautiful.
It allows me personally to achieve these listening skills, because I think I'm in multiple leadership positions, but sometimes you forget to listen. And especially that breakout room with Marita and Miss Muzzy really just brought awareness, and even the ones after that and before that, I brought awareness to the fact that like my areas of influence would benefit, and my mission and my desires to go out and do certain things and meet certain needs would flourish if I would just be in the moment, if I would be present, if I would remember to listen.
I know you're doing good work, and I just want to remind you that like your teachers do care about you, even if sometimes it's not recognized. And I'm getting excited because I'm listening to all of you, and you are designing. I know you have the capacity and the ability to do this work, and I think sometimes you might feel stunted because of so many different things that go on, because of breakdowns or lack of communication or so much that's happening when you're learning in a pandemic and you're learning online. So I just want to say you're doing good work, and I'm so appreciative of you all, and I'm here to listen.